Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. So in this video, I will show you how you can book Tirupati Devasam Special Entry Darshan ticket, and I will also show you various other pilgrim services that is available in the portal. So for this, you have to just log in with your mobile number. So you just enter your mobile number and you will get an OTP. So using that, you can log in. So the special entry ticket for Darshan is usually released monthly. So there will be notification that goes out in news, and also in the latest update you can see here it will say the month of May the tickets will be released on this and this day. So on that particular day, at a particular point of time, the tickets will be available for booking. So it will not be available all throughout the year. Like if I want to book it now, I cannot book it. On that particular day it will be available, and that those quota, right, it will be released. So in around May, you would have seen the ticket for this special entry darshan, rupees 300 tickets for May 2025 have been completed. So that means till 2025 May, whatever special entry darshan ticket is there, that quota is already completed. So this is how the tickets are sold here. So now we will go through all the functionality that is available and provided here. So if you go and check the booking history, you can see the booking history. So let me show you all the features or services. So the first one is Anga Pradikshanam. So if you click on Anga Pradikshanam, it will take me to this page. So it says Anga Pradikshanam Seva tickets EDIP registration for Tirupati, urban and rural, and Tirumala locals only for 15 March Saturday have been closed. So this ticket has been closed. So Anga Pradashana means it's a holy ritual where people roll on the floor of the temple and they encircle the temple. So for that there is this registration which is available here through this. So for the 15th March, the registration is over. So it might be happening on a particular day, maybe Saturday. So that is the reason it is showing that for the 15th the ticket is already done. So this is Arjita Sevas. So this is like puja. So you can select the temple, whether it is Srivari temple, different temple under Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. So you can see various temples here. So this is Tirupati Sri Govindeshwari Govinda Raja Swami temple, Padmavati Amavari temple. So you can select the temple and you can select the seva, what all puja you want, and based on that you can fill that. So if you see here, the quota is full till May. Whatever quota is there, it is already been full in Tirupati. So now let's look at some other temple. So here if you see, quota is not at release. So now if you see here in Govinda Rajaswamy temple Tirupati, on this 21 and 28th the quota is available. So then I can go ahead and book this puja, Kungumarchana, Unjal Seva, Veda Ashirvachanam, all these things can be booked. So you'll have to see when the quota is available, and based on that you have to book it. So that is how Arjita Seva is done. Now if you go here, you'll see Sri Srinivasa Divya Anugraha Homam. So again, this happens in various temple, and the quota is released on in phases. So you can go here and book it. Now you see the various temple. So allow means filling fast. So that is how you can book Sri Srinivasa Divyanugraha Homa. This is for accommodation. So this will take me to the accommodation page. So one can be eligible to get advance booking of accommodation against valid Tirumala Devasam Darshan, that is Seva tickets of Sri Tirumala Tirupati Devasam. So room allotment will be for 24 hours only from the time of allotment of room. So single person unmarried couple, minors are not allowed to book accommodation. Single person, unmarried couple, minors are not allowed to book accommodation. So pilgrimage is permitted to book one room with a span of 30 days. Against the ticket, pilgrim will be permitted to get accommodation with specified slot timings. So this is how you go and book the accommodation. You can select this Tirumala is for exclusively for ticket holders. So there is no accommodation booking available for this pilgrim's mobile number. So if I already have a ticket, then for that I can go in and book it. So this is Tirumala accommodation. So if it is special entry darshan, there are no special entry darshan bookings available for this pilgrim's mobile number. So if I have a special entry darshan ticket, then I can come here and book the accommodation. Or I should hold any of the other special darshan like Arjita Seva. There are no Arjita Seva that is available. Pilgrims can book Tirumala Tirupati and accommodation for the month of May. So let's go back. So this is special entry darshan ticket for Amavari temple. So here you see it's available, which I can go ahead and book. So this is online sevas, that is virtual participation. So if you want to participate virtually, then you can come here and click on it. For some reason it's not working. So this is the special entry darshan. Special entry darshan availability, you can see here. So this is released in phases, so you'll not be able to see it here now. So the time when it is released, that time you should come and book it, and it gets over fast. So differently abled senior citizen, if they want darshan, they can again come here, and again for them also the quota is already finished. So this is Anga Pradakshinam. This is not for locals, so the pilgrim can participate in Anga Pradakshinam for Lord Venkateshwara Tirumala. So this is that Anga Pradakshinam. So if you go here, this is Seva electronic dip. This is for Srivari Arjita Seva tickets, electronic dip. That for that also registration is already closed. So this one you see here, SV Pranadana Trust donations. If there are any donations for SV Pranadana, then you can come here and donate it here. Now this is Swayambari E-Hundi. So this whatever you donate here, it will go to the E-Hundi, which is like offering in the temple. So you can put amount on behalf of name and occasion and proceed to E-Hundi offering. Now if you see here, this is Amavari E-Hundi. This is Swayambari E-Hundi. This is Amavari E-Hundi. So this will go to two different temples. That's what it means. This is donor privileges. So whoever is the donor, they get access to certain privileges. That is Kalyana Mandapam, Undi, Accommodation, Seva, all those things available. So it will take you to another website altogether. So this is Srimani and other trust donations. Then it has Kalyana Vedika. So if you want to book for marriage, bride and bridegroom must necessarily belong to Hindu religion. Bride must have completed 18 years of age and bridegroom 21 years as on the date of marriage. Certificate of age of the bride and bridegroom must be produced to the TTD authorities before marriage. The certificate relating to proof of residential address of the bride and bridegroom must be produced. So parents of the bride and bridegroom must be present at the time of marriage. In case father or mother expired, will produce the original death certificate at the same time. So guardian will be permitted to proceed producing the evidence of identity. Love marriages and second marriages are not permitted. So unmarried certificate must be obtained as mentioned in the prescribed pro forma in the marriage application before the authorities concerned shall be produced. So depending on demand on particular muhurtam day, marriages may be performed in groups only. So after performance of marriage at Kalyana Vedika, TTD will issue a receipt of darshan. 6 persons are allowed for darshan at free of cost through special entry darshan, that is rupees 300. So only rupees 50 room will be provided free of cost. one room ₹50 will be provided free of cost for 24 hours. So pilgrims can use the receipt of darshan to get marriage certificate from government registration office situated in Kalyana Vedika, Tirumala. So TTD will provide turmeric and kumkumam to the couples. So after completion, online application, download the booking application with attested from the application to submit the time of marriage. So they can go ahead and book it here, Kalyana Vedika, for marriage. Then they have Panchagavya products. There are different products that is available here. For that you have to come here and book it from here. So you see this Panchagavya product. So for this you will have to again register in this website. It just provide you a link to the other website. So if you click on this, it will show you all TTD temples. So these are various temples. So this is Sri Vakalumata temple. This is Sri Vakalumata temple, Sri Padmavati Amavari temple, Sri Govindaraja Swami temple, Sri Kalyana Venkateshwara Swami temple. This is Sri Kapila Tirtham temple, Sri Kodanda Ramaswamy temple. This is Sri Srinivasa temple. So these are various temples which is under TTD. TTD is Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. So that is how you book tickets. So these are all the services that is available. So the main functionality or the feature that you should be looking for is this Special Entry Darshan, that you can find it here, Special Entry Darshan, which is released in phases. And after you book that, you can come here and book accommodation. So this will give you accommodation very near or inside Tirupati, Tirumala. So if you don't get this accommodation, you can go ahead and book accommodation from booking.com and other platforms. So that will be outside of Tirupati. Then from there you can take a cab or various vehicle and go to Tirupati and do a darshan, a daytime darshan, and come back to your hotel outside of Tirupati. There are also buses available. So that is how you book Tirupati ticket. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.